Regardless of how beautiful you are, how well you are dressed, or indeed how many friends you have, nobody looks cool when they yawn. What is cool is the existence of scientists who have devoted years of their lives to understand this underappreciated human behaviour. Just reading the word yawning might be enough to trick the body as you slowly open your jaws, squint the eyes and take a deep breath before a quick exhale. Yawning may seem too commonplace for serious scientific scrutiny, but it does warrant brief further investigation. You probably already know that observing someone's yawn is contagious. What you don't know is that yawns are equally contagious if the person happens to be viewed upside down, sideways or standing upright. Yup, it's true. Our brains could not care less about the spatial coordinates of another person's mouth. Yawning unleashes yawning. Simple as that. Even if someone is blind or perhaps in complete darkness, merely hearing the sigh-like sound of a yawn is sufficient to trigger their own yawn. Don't believe us? Try it for yourself. Contagious yawns have been observed in children as young as 2 years old. It is unclear why, but there is a massive uptake in contagious yawns when children reach the age of 4. So be prepared for that onward effect after preschool. Human beings are not unique in the art of yawning either. Yawning has been found in other animals such as pigs, monkeys, crocodiles, snakes and even certain fish. I think our goldfish called Fireman Sam yawned last night actually. The average length of a yawn in humans is approximately 6 seconds. This is universal across cultures and does not seem to vary given the time of day or climate. There are no half yawns. You either go full throttle or you are doing something else. It is impossible to suppress a yawn with clenched teeth. Once again, if you don't believe us, try it out for yourself when the requirement next arises. When you feel the urge to yawn, do your best to inhale normally while keeping your teeth locked down. It feels dreadful, as a direct part of the mechanism of yawning is the opening of the jaws. Yawning feels awesome. I know our cat used to do it constantly. When asked by scientists in a 2016 study, the participants rated yawning with a pleasure score of 8.5 out of 10. Finally, one really amazing scientific fact is that children and adults with autism are immune to the effects of observing someone else yawn. The contagiousness is simply not there and appears to dovetail itself with the other elements of this developmental disability. Thank you for tuning into the channel, and we hope to see you back here again very soon.